Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Rare black and white twins, but is there a Jamaican connection? Let me give you a quick lesson on how twins are made. Monozygotic twins, or identical twins, start from the same egg. On the other hand, unidentical twins, dizygotic or fraternal twins, develop when two different eggs get fertilized by different sperms. The eggs then go on to do their own thing and can take on genes predominantly from mother and father separately. When this occurs, the twins are basically regular siblings who happen to be born at the same time. That being said, it is extremely rare to have twins where one is white and the other is black. However, when it does occur, there seems to be a common theme. It is being theorized that a Jamaican parent is required in the mix to have this occur. The twins are very different in that Lucy is fair with straight red hair and has fair skin. Her sister, on the other hand, has darker curly hair. They were born in Gloucester in the UK in 1997. Their father Vince is Caucasian, and their mother Donna is Jamaican. The Guardian newspaper published a story in 2011 about a pair of teen fraternal twins, James and Daniel Kelly from southeast London. The news site stated that James is black, gay, and gregarious. His brother, Daniel, is straight and white. James is a straight A student while Daniel dropped out of high school. Apart from the obvious difference in character traits, what people see most is the difference in color. But what is the explanation for this? Their parents, Allison and Errol, inquired and consulted a geneticist. How is it possible that a black and a white partner who would normally produce black-skinned offspring, like Allison or Errol did with their other children, has a child who is as white as his mother? Speaking with Dr. Jim Wilson, Edinburgh University's population geneticist, his first question was, what is Errol's heritage?
Errol is Jamaican, and on hearing this, Dr. Jim Wilson said, that is the basic explanation.
Let's look at another one of these rare cases in Birmingham, England. Marcia and Millie Biggs are just like other sisters, attached at the hips and protective of one another. However, strangers often mistake them for best friends and not twin sisters. Marcia is a pale-skinned, blue-eyed with blonde hair. Millie, Marcia's fraternal twin sister, is slightly taller and has brown eyes and darker skin. Marcia said that sometimes people don't believe her when she says they are twins. They think we're telling a lie. The twins have been featured on National Geographic magazine and talk shows all around the world. According to their mother, Marcia is a little bit of a tomboy who loves gymnastics and prefers the color blue. Millie, however, is the princess. She loves pink and all things shiny. In that respect, she is a little like her mother. Their parents, Amanda Biggs and Michael Biggs, explained that the girls were identical when they were born. The Biggs noticed a difference in the complexions of their daughters at 10 months. Michael, who is Jamaican, said he started noticing the change in Millie first. She got darker and darker. The National Geographic article touched on the race issue. The story was part of the race issue, where National Geographic explored how race separates, unites, and defines us. Millie stated, "Racism means that someone judges you based on your color and not your true self." She said, "I like to be different. It doesn't mean you have to be like everyone else. It is better to be yourself." Michael Biggs commended his girls by saying, "They're just like that. They don't see the world in black and white." While these incidents are quite rare, they are not unique to the Brit-Jamaican combinations of parentage. Nonetheless, you still have to wonder why a Jamaican is oftentimes in the mix. Leave your comments below. What is your take on this?